Hello, this is Annie speaking. Just want to let you know that my owner has not been able to take me out today. Only the once, and I normally have 2 walks because he's been self-isolating himself, and it's so bad here that we need to have 2 walks. Now, I'm going to come back in a minute. Right now, this video is being done by me, myself, Annie, and my owner is the one that's taking the video, but I'm the one that's going to speak to you. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you the comments that the survey question from Tuesday. 17% of ladies have ended a relationship because of this, and the answer was they don't like his mother. That was the answer. Now I've got one for today, Wednesday. 27% of women say a man who has this is more attractive than someone who has not. That is your survey question for today, Wednesday. Right, okay, I'll be back in a minute with the comments. Today you will not see the owner, you will see me only. Okay, bye bye for now. Bye bye. Hello YouTubers, this is Annie. Now I've got the comments from your good selves. So first of all, I'm going to read you the survey question and the answer, and then I'm going to read your comments, your answers. So here we go. 17% of ladies have ended a relationship because of this, and the answer was, tell the money, they don't like his mother. Right, so first of all, with the correct answer, we have Michael Phillips. They don't like their mother, he says. Steve's Weekender, he said being a workaholic. Sharon Carlisle said a alcoholic. Annie. Line Screw 1, he said gambling problem. Top Dog X, she said lying first, but then she got it correct and she said they don't like their mother. Commutator Australia, he said partner being unfaithful or being a slap ass. That right, Annie? And last but not least was PERRO DEHONT, and he said better love, the grass is always greener on the other side. Now, Annie, that is the comments that you made. So please do have a go at Wednesday's survey question, and we'll give you the answer tomorrow, Thursday. Say goodbye, Annie. Bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel, my owner's channel, Dennis Jennings. Please subscribe and comment and like, and do have a go at today's survey question, and I will give you the answer tomorrow, Thursday. All the very best, and bye bye for now. Bye bye.